everybody. Welcome and welcome to our channel. Yes, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. I know we have a lot of noise over here. There's those machines that are cutting some trees down. I think I should get out of here before to. So guys, we are now out of that noise. We are now going, and look at this mansion in our village. You see how big it is, and very beautiful, guys. So I had asked for permission for the but he told me he's the contractor of this house, of this mansion, and he told me he's going to give me report. So I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so guys, since I'm here with my cousin, he's over here. Yeah, very tall, dark and handsome. Hey, he has told me this house, the owner of the house is his friend, so there's no problem of me showing you the house. So he just told me that they allow here, so that's why we've come back, so that I can show you. Imagine nowadays we have mansions in the village. Yeah, look at it, just look at it. So right now we want to give you a house tour. Yeah, so guys, finally I'm here to give you a full house tour of this mansion here in our village. I hope you are very ready to see how this house looks inside. So let me put my bag here so that we can enjoy the house tour together. Come in. Yes, so this is the main entrance to the house. I think they're going to put something like a glass here. I'm not sure about it. I'm just gazing. And this is a veranda, you know, somewhere just to chill, relax. When you don't want to sit in your house, inside the house, you just come out here, relax over here. So I can imagine the views from here and how this place will finally look when the house is done. So welcome in the house. Yes, we're finally here, and this is the sitting room. See how big it is. Very big and very spacious. Wow, who wouldn't love a house like this? Many windows, very big windows. Of course, for my house, I love something like this. Woo, it's very big. You see, we have this one over here, we have another one over there, we have this one, guys, over here, then you have the two. So you have enough fresh air, and you can imagine in the village the way we have fresh air, and you have very spacious windows, and as many as they are. So this is the sitting room. Yes, the living room. Nowadays we call them the living room. And also we have a door over here. You can see this another door that will get you out to the veranda. So this corridor is very big, where you can relax when you don't want to sit inside the house. Yeah, so this is where they're going to put their TV, guys, because you can see this is a fireplace, right? So I'm so sure this is where they're going to put their television. Then this is a fireplace. Yeah, I know this is a fireplace. So guys, let's see this other side. Are you ready? So just after the sitting room, we have an open kitchen. Yay! So it's very big, guys. I can't imagine how this house will look like after they are done with everything. Right now I see it's like 80% done, so we can't wait to see the results of this house. Yes, so this is the kitchen, and it's an open kitchen. We can see some sockets over there, so they are going to do that. And also they have another room over here. I think maybe this one will be for storage, yeah, for kitchen things. I'm not sure about it, I'm just guessing. Then they have a veranda over here. We call them veranda, you know. Yeah, somewhere to chill when you don't want to sit in the house. you come and chill out here. Yes, after cooking you just check your things, then relax out here. So let's check other room. Yes. So we can go this other side, right?
Yeah.
Ooh. So welcome guys. So this is the first bedroom, guys. This is the first bedroom. You can see how big this window is. Oh my god. And look at the view. I'm showing the view from the bedroom. You see that view? Wow. Yeah, so that when you wake up, this will be your view. Yeah, so this is the first bedroom, and I'm so sure this will be. Oh wow, so they have extra. I think this will be somewhere to take a bath. Then this will be a washroom. Yeah, I think I'm so right about that. This will be the toilet. Then this one will be where they put a water bath. This will be, how do you call it?
Jacuzzi.
Yeah. I think this is somewhere they're going to put a jacuzzi. Then their toilet is over here, guys. So I think this is the master bedroom. So let's check the other bedrooms. Wow. And the color of this house is white. Peace. I love white. Oh, wow. So we have, I think this is also a washroom. Yes, because you can see the space. This is a washroom. You can see it's a washroom. If I'm not wrong, it's a common washroom. Yes. Yeah. So let's check this other side. We have a bedroom, guys. Another bedroom. So this is bedroom number 2. And this is somewhere they're going to put their wardrobes. If you can check. Oh, the other side where we see the jacuzzis, those are wardrobes. So I'm going to show you, because you see this one, they are going to put a wardrobe over here. So this is our second bedroom. Yes. Ooh, wow. Finally, we're in the third bedroom. This is the third bedroom, guys. Yeah, and it's quite big, spacious, and they are going to put their wardrobe over here. You can see. So this shows they're going to put a wardrobe over here, guys. They're going to be something like a wardrobe over here. Then there's a washroom for this bedroom. Yes, guys. And that is it. So this is a 3-bedroom mansion just here in the village. You can't imagine it. Look at these windows. Look at the view. Wow. Look at the view. Look at the decor. Every detail of this house. I just love it. I always see it from outside and I always admire it. But finally today, I'm here just to give you a house tour of this beautiful mansion in the village, and I hope you are really enjoying. So let me take you around the compound and see what is going on here, guys. Thank you. So guys, we're finally out and you can see another house is coming up over there. Yes, that's another house. Same details from outside, and I just love the construction of this house. By the way, this house, it usually takes my breath away. Another house over here. So the owner of this house just decided it's building and building and building, guys, and motivating us as villagers, because you see, anytime I pass here going to the river, because that's a way to the river or to the market, I'm always motivated. I'm like, oh, wow, I need something like this. So there's also another house over here, guys. I don't know if I can go up. Yeah, so there's another house. I just showed you the other side. There's another house coming up. So there's also another house here coming up. So we have 3 houses coming up. I just can't wait to see how this compound or this home will look like after everything is done, guys. You see they have a well over here, so it's very easy for the contractors to get water. They don't need to go to the river to get water. And I think they also have something here for those people who are helping the owner, because I don't know if it's a she or a he. So I really appreciate you guys. I hope you have enjoyed every detail of this house. Oh my god, I'm so much motivated, guys. This house is something else. This camera may not do justice to you, but when you come here, guys, I tell you, you will be motivated and you will fall in love with this house. Like for me, I don't know what to tell you, but I've never seen such a beautiful house in the village. This is the only village. Yay! So thank you so much for your support. I don't think if I'm going to show, maybe I'm just going to show you the rooms without talking, because I don't know much about them. And thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. So see you in the next video. Bye.
yote ya nyumba. Unajua venye